Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for our previous lesson. If you're new here, I highly recommend you watch the last video where we talked about why the US has military bases in Germany and Japan. Now let's test what you've learned. Does the US have military bases in Germany and Japan because of World War II? Yes, they were established after the war ended. Were the bases in Germany created to protect against France? No, they were meant to deter the Soviet Union. Are the bases in Japan located there to help fight Japan? No, they are part of a defense alliance with Japan. Is the US presence in Germany only for European defense? No, it also allows quick response to crises in other regions. Did Japan allow US bases in exchange for economic help? Yes, the US helped rebuild Japan in return for military access. Are the US bases in Japan important for the Pacific region? Yes, they're crucial for US strategy in Asia. Do all people agree that these bases should stay? No, there is debate about whether they're still needed. Do the US bases help train with allies? Yes, they promote cooperation between allied forces. Are Germany and Japan still occupied by US forces? No, they are sovereign countries with mutual defense agreements. Should you watch the video several times to learn better? Yes, repetition is key to mastering vocabulary and understanding. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing. And don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss our upcoming videos. We'll see you in the next episode. Another great journey into the English language and American culture.